Imagine having perfect vision and then one day everything goes dark. It happened to one young woman who traveled the world seeking a cure for blindness.
Until she met a doctor right here in South Florida. The 19's Lynn Martinez shows us why seeing is believing.
At age 25, Vanna Belton was looking forward to her future. But in June of 2009, her life changed forever.
I was driving and I was noticing I was squinting to drive. I actually ran a red light. And I was like, what?
Her normally perfect vision was getting blurry. She thought she had an eye infection.
Get some antibiotics and clear it up. That's not what happened.
Instead, she was sent from doctor to doctor and even ended up in the hospital. She was told that her optic nerve was inflamed, but no one knew why.
By mid-July, I was legally blind in both eyes. I couldn't use a computer. I couldn't use my phone.
Vanna was so desperate to see again, she was willing to try anything.
I looked into Eastern medicine. I did acupuncture, Chinese herbs.
Nothing worked. Her doctors kept telling her to be patient.
The people who are losing their vision or who are blind are in a war, and they don't have time to wait.
Dr. Jeffrey Weiss is bringing light to those living in darkness.
It always bothered me when I would hear the word, "This is untreatable."
A few years ago, the South Florida ophthalmologist became the first in the country to use a stem cell procedure to help blind people see again.
More than 60% of the people I operate on have gained some vision.
Bone marrow is extracted from the hip. A machine then separates out the stem cells, which are then injected directly into the patient's eye.
I can take a look with this.
Vanna had her first procedure in March of 2014.
It was 3 days and 3 months after my surgery that I realized I could see. Tell them what's happening, Julia.
And Vanna looks over here, and she can actually read that. It's probably 50 feet away.
Hi!
Vanna is back in South Florida for her second stem cell procedure. Dr. Weiss cannot believe her progress.
Today, without glasses, you were 20/40. This is the most remarkable, most rewarding thing I've ever done.
Vanna says Dr. Weiss not only gave her life back, but also her love.
It was almost a week before we got married that I was able to look her eye to eye and see her face clearly, and that was an aha moment.
Showing the world that seeing truly is believing. So far, Dr. Weiss has treated 295 patients with various vision conditions. To learn more about his clinical trial, log on to our website, WSVN.com. In the Newsplex, Lynn Martinez, 7 News.